Hello friends, welcome to Nursing for Life. Today we are going to deal about nervous system. Nervous system is the control of all activities of the body quicker than other system. Control system in the body. It is coordinate action and sensory information by transmitting signal to and from different parts of the body. Nervous system is a control all activities of the body quicker than other system. Control system in the body. It is coordinate action and sensory information by transmitting signal to and from different parts of its body. Division of nervous system. Division of nervous systems, the mainly is divided into two, CNS and PNS. CNS is central nervous system and PNS is peripheral nervous system. The nervous system, peripheral nervous system and central nervous system. Central nervous system include brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system include autonomic and somatic. Autonomic and somatic. Autonomy is internal activities of the organs in the gland. Autonomic is the internal activities of the organ and gland. Somatic is a control external action of skin and muscles. Autonomic control is sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic arousing and parasympathetic is calming. Sympathetic is a fight or flight response and parasympathetic is the as a calming is efferent division. Somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system include motor neuron, skeletal muscle, effector organ. Autonomic nervous system is a sympathetic nervous system and a parasympathetic nervous system. Is a cardiac muscles, gland and smooth muscle is going to effector organ. Nervous system. It is made up of networks of billions of neurons. Neuron is the structural and functional units of the brain. The structural and functional units of the brain is the neurons. Supportive structure of nervous tissue is neuroglia and glial cells. Supportive structure of nervous tissue is a neuroglia or glial cells. It is include astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, microglia, ependymal cells, and radial glia in CNS, satellite cells, dendritic glial cells, and Schwann cells in PNS. Neuroglia, CNS and PNS. Then it's easy to study. The peripheral nervous system is neuroglia, is Schwann cells, satellite cells, and dendritic cells. Peripheral nervous system, Schwann cells, satellite cell, S2E. You can short form you can study like that. S2E, Schwann cells, satellite cells, and dendritic cells. CNS, astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, microglial cells, ependymal cells, and radial glial cells. CNS glia, astrocytes, largest and most numerous of neuroglia, helps to make blood-brain barrier, star-shaped structure. Astrocyte mainly we can see the star-shaped structure. Okay, largest and most numerous of neuroglia. The largest glial cells is astrocytes, help to make blood-brain barrier. Blood-brain barrier is the mostly is a help to make blood-brain barrier, star-shaped structure. Oligodendrocytes. Another one, CNS glial cells is first is astrocytes. Second one is oligodendrocyte. Have a few processes line up of along neurons. Wrap of them cells around axon. It is responsible for the formation and maintenance of myelin sheath around the CNS. Oligodendrocytes is have a few processes only line up of along neurons and wrap up of cells around axon. Axon is a around axon. It's a wrap them cells around axon. It is responsible for formation and maintenance of myelin sheath around the CNS. Microglia. Cells function as a macrophage. Microglia cell function as a macrophages. You know the macrophages is the cell death, cell eating. Okay, any damaged tissue or something, they are repair. This is the macroglia. When they migrate to damaged CNS tissue, the main function of the microglia is that when they migrate to damaged CNS tissue, you can see the macroglia, process of microglial cells and microcellular debris. Ependymal cells. Ependymal, also called ependymocytes, align the spinal cord and ventricular system in the brain. Involves the creation and secretion of CSF, beat the cilia to circulate the CSF. Radial peripheral. Progenitor cells arise from neuroepithelial cells after the onset of neurogenesis. Cells in developing nervous system has long process responsible for the producing all neurons in cerebral cortex. PNS cells, satellite cells, Schwann cells, and Hendrich glial cells. Before I said is that so easily remember S2E. Satellite cells, Schwann cells, and Hendrich cells. Hendrich glial cells. Satellite cell is enclosing the cells bodies of sensory neurons in spinal ganglia. Schwann cells from myelin sheath on neurons of PNS also have phagocytic. Schwann cells is a phagocytic action is a macrocytes in CNS. In the PNS is what? Schwann cells, the Hendrich glial cells. Neurons or nerve cells. Neuron is the structural and functional system of nerve system. Like muscles, fibers, neuron also have a properties to produce action potential, impulse to response to stimuli. Structure of neurons. Likely any other cells in the body, neurons having almost all organelles in the cytoplasm except two main difference. One, presence of processors, absence of centrosome. Neurons have three main parts: cell bodies, axon, and dendrites. This is the structure of neuron. Is mainly have dendrites, cell body, node of Ranvier, axon terminal, Schwann cells, myelin sheath, and nucleus. It includes dendrites, cell body, and a node of Ranvier, axon terminal, Schwann cells, and myelin sheath, axon, and nucleus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.